Hey guys, it's me, Bluffamuchuck here, and I'm going to show you guys how to install the Aether mod. This is the Aether 2 for Minecraft 1.5.1. I'm so glad that it's finally updated, but that is not the important part here. The important part here is I'm going to show you how to install it for your Minecraft without using anything external like multi-MC. So your first step is going to be to go into your internet browser and open up assets.minecraft.net. That's what I have on my screen right now. You'll see a bunch of code, well, not really code, but a bunch of stuff here. Basically, you want to scroll down to almost the end, and you'll see right about here. There's 151 slash minecraft.jar. You'll want to copy that and paste that at the end of your URL here. So and add a slash at the beginning. So basically, you'll want the assets.minecraft.net 151 minecraft.jar. And it'll say that it will harm your computer. You're going to hit keep, and that's going to download a file for you. So you're going to want to keep that. Now, in case you're wondering whether this is safe or not, this is actually the official Minecraft download servers. So don't worry about whether it's going to be safe or not, because I can guarantee you that this is safe. And once you got that downloaded, you're also gonna want to do this one here, 151 Minecraft underscore server.jar. You don't need the server.jar unless you want to make a server, which I'm also going to be covering here. So basically, this will download the same thing, but it's gonna be Minecraft underscore server. So once you have that, you're going to want to download a few more things. To get this, you'll want to go to the Aether forum page, which I'll have a link to in the description. You're going to want to download three things. You're going to want to download Forge, Player API, and Player Render API. And you can do that just by clicking on these links. Okay, sorry. I just got distracted there because apparently, right as we speak, the Aether development team favorited a tweet saying I was going to make this video. Isn't that kind of weird? Alright, so we got Minecraft Forge Universal, Player API, and now we just want to get the Render Player API right here. Alright, so now that we've got those three things, you're basically done in your browser here. I got the files here, and basically next what you want to do is on your keyboard there's a little, if you're on Windows, this works for Windows and Windows 8, by the way. There's going to be a little Windows button with the little Windows logo, and you're going to hit R, which will open up Run. So Windows R will open up Run. Alternatively, I'm sure that you can just type in run here, and it's right there. But yeah, run. And in here, you're going to want to type in the following: %appdata %. That'll bring you to this folder here. And in here, you're going to see your .minecraft. Of course, that's for Minecraft, and you're going to want to open that up. You'll see a bunch of stuff in here. Well, if you've yours will be a lot more empty than mine is, but since I've modded it in the past, it has a bunch of stuff. So your next step is going to be to open up your bin. You're going to see a minecraft.jar here, and if you want to keep your current version of Minecraft, you can back this up and put it somewhere else. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to open up my browser, and I'm going to show my downloads so that I can go in here, and you're going to want to access that minecraft.jar file that I had you download earlier. See, minecraft.jar. So you're going to want to take that and just move it in here, and you can replace. So basically you're going to replace this jar with the one you downloaded. And what should happen now is if you open up Minecraft, which we'll do right now, you should see that you have Minecraft version 1.5.1. So that's a good sign. That means you're doing it right so far. So after that, you're going to want to get your files. You're going to want your Minecraft Forge, your Render Player API, and your Player API. Now, you're going to want to install in a specific order. And just so I can remind myself right here, the order is going to be Forge, Player API, and then Player Render API. So what you're going to do here is you're going to want to use Winrar, which is a application which I'm sure you can just download from the internet by typing in Winrar. You know, it's from rarlab.com right here. You can just go to downloads, and you'd get the one that you want. You'd get the Winrar version, depending how many bits your computer is, 64-bit. You'd get this one, and you download that. And once you have that installed, what you will want to do is when you get to this, you're going to want to open it with Winrar. So open with Winrar Archiver, and that will open up here. And if you since it's kind of free, since we're doing the free trial, you can hit close, and you can move this around. So basically, you don't want to really edit anything in here as of right now. What you want to do first is you want to open up Minecraft Forge with Winrar as well. So now that we have Minecraft Forge open and we hit close there again, you're going to want to select everything in here. From the top to the bottom, you don't need to include the dot. It's okay if you do or not, but you don't have to. And you can drag that from the Minecraft Forge into the Minecraft.jar. And it'll do some stuff over here. Then this window will pop up. You can hit OK, and you are done with the Minecraft Forge Universal. So you installed Minecraft Forge. Now, next in the order would be the Player API. You can take that, hit close, just like you did before with the rest of it. Select everything and drag it in, just like the other thing. And just make sure that you're doing it in this same order. So Minecraft Forge, Player API, now Render Player API. And you're going to do similar here. You're going to select everything and drag it in and hit OK. So now, just to make sure that you did that right, you should go and load up Minecraft again. Just hit login. If you get a screen similar to this, that means what you want to do is you want to open up your Minecraft.jar again, and you want to go into this file, the meta.inf, and you want to delete these bottom two files here, just by hitting that and right-clicking and hit delete files. It'll delete those, and now when you log in, it will say for FML is setting up your Minecraft environment, and it's going to download a few files. Sorry, just checking something. And while it's downloading these files, you can do whatever you want. you're basically just waiting for Minecraft to work, pretty much. Sorry, I do not have the fastest internet, so this is taking a tiny bit of time. Alright, just about done. I think this is the last one. I hope it's the last one. If not, I'll cut. Alright, yes, that would be the last one. And you'll see your Mojang screen. And if you did it correctly, it will load up. And you'll have a new button here, says mods. And you should see these 3 mods. You don't have Aether installed quite yet. So what you're going to do is you're going to quit the game again. And you're going to go back to the Aether page here, and you're going to go down to this section, the download link for Aether, and you can choose wherever you want to download it from either Mega or Mediafire, and just click your link, and it will download. Now I believe I already have it downloaded, so yeah. Let me go grab it. So yeah, when you download it, it's gonna be a zip, and you're gonna want to copy it, and you're gonna go back to Minecraft, and you'll go to mods, and you'll paste it in here. Once you've done that, you should be able to load up Minecraft now. And this time it won't take as long because it downloaded the files already. And when it loads up, you'll be prompted to choose a main menu. This is part of the Aether mod, so I'll choose Aether 2. And you're prompted with the snazzy Aether 2 Genesis of the Void screen. So you'll also see Aether 2 here and main menu API in your mods list. So then you have successfully installed Aether 2 on your Minecraft. You can join the official Aether server, or you can make your own server. So if you want to make your own server, you can continue watching this video. If not, you're good. You now can play Aether 2 single player, but if you want to see how to create a server, just continue on watching. Right, so now that you have your game running, I'm just going to minimize it so that we don't have to load it up again. You're going to want your files that you downloaded, so I'm going to copy this, and I'm going to go back into here where I had everything. And you want everything here. So what you're going to do with all of these files is you're going to create a folder anywhere. Now, I'm not going to teach you how to make a server in the first place. This is just going to tell you how to mod it with Aether. So you're going to need to have the knowledge of how to make a server in the first place. That means port forwarding and stuff like that. So I'm just going to go here. This is where I store all my servers, and you see I already made one, but I will make a new folder called install. Why am I calling that? I don't know. Why am I calling it that? I don't know. But we will. Now we want to go back into our downloads, and earlier I had you download Minecraft server.jar. You want to drag that into your new folder that you created. And you can name this whatever you want. I'm going to name it Aether. And once you have that, you're going to do very similar to what you did before. You're going to open this up. And you are going to take the stuff from Minecraft Forge. I'm just going to hit Command A and drag. I'm going to do this quickly because you've seen this before. So then remember, player API second. Yeah, so player API, put it in there. This one, you don't want to delete anything from the meta inf, though. Render player API. You're gonna take the stuff from there and put it in your Aether.jar. And now that you've done all that, you can close your Aether.jar. And how do you run it? Well, I have a file that I use to run all mine. I call it the server start.bat. And what you're gonna do is where did I put it? Install. Very cluttered. I know. I'm not very good with organization. Basically, what you want, how to make this. I'll show you what's inside of it. So it's really easy. It's just this line right here. Except for whatever you named the jar will go here rather than Aether.jar. So, just do that. This depends on how much RAM you want. This is the minimum amount of RAM, and this is the maximum. I do 2 gigs, but yeah. So I'm just going to copy this. And to make this file, what you want to do is you want to do new text document, and we'll name it start. You want to open it, paste, save. Now you want to open it with Notepad. Format, sorry, no, file. Oh, man. I forget how to do this. File, save. Oh, no, sorry, you're good. You just need to name this, .bat, right? Just add .bat to the end, and you should have exactly what I just showed you. And this will do that whole downloading thing, very similar to the previous time, which we will wait for once again. Alright, and once the download's done, you'll see this other window pop up here. It will say that it's creating the spawn area. And then at the end, it will say done. So when you close that, in that folder that we created earlier, there's going to be a lot more things, server properties. If you're familiar with a regular server, you'll know all those, but now you're going to have a mods folder, which should have nothing in it. But if you want to play with the Aether, just drag it on in there, and you have the Aether mod for a server. So that's how you install it for a server. So if I start this up, it's going to start everything up again. And I can show you that now if I go into the game and I go to my server, we have the Aether mod installed. And if I game mode myself, which I'll need to do through here, right? Game mode myself, you'll see that we have all of our Aether stuff, and it should all be functioning, if I can figure out how to use it. I really haven't played with the Aether yet, to be honest. So there you go. It should be functioning to its fullest. What that is, I have no clue. You see, incubator's working. You can place the blocks on the server. So, yeah, I think that's about it. The mod works, and it is cool sauce. So, I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to install it for both server and client without using multi-MC or any other clients like that. And I hope to see you guys all next time. Thanks so much for watching. Goodbye.